To improve your vision, if you're over 60, eat these 3 items before bed. Have you ever observed that your eyes no longer wake up as they once did? Perhaps the digits on your bedside clock appear to be obscured by a thin layer of fog, or the morning light feels far too intense. The majority dismiss it as a sign of aging. What if age isn't the sole factor? What if there's anything your eyes are genuinely trying to tell you? Your eyes may not have received the necessary nighttime repair if your vision is drab or takes a while to adjust in the morning. Surprisingly, you have more power over that repair than you may realize. Your eyes never shut out completely. Your retina is working to repair damaged cells, maintain fluid balance, and replenish the pigments that shield your eyes while you sleep. It's similar to having a crew working a night shift in the dark and working quietly. However, that crew slows down as we age. The flow of blood decreases. Stress from oxidation increases. It takes longer for the tear glands to awaken. As a result, by morning, everything seems dry, hazy, or difficult to concentrate. I want to hear from you before we continue. When you wake up, how do your eyes feel? A bit grainy, slow, or dry? Leave a comment with your experience. You'd be shocked at how many adults over 60 share these sentiments, but believe they're alone. Someone else may be able to comprehend what's happening with their own eyes thanks to your story. Additionally, make an effort to watch this video through to the end. There are numerous easy-to-follow, practical ideas that flow from one section to the next. When you wake up tomorrow, even one minor adjustment you hear later in this video could have a significant impact on your eyes. Here's the good news, though. Sleep is when the most effective mending takes place. Additionally, you can help your eyes wake up clearer, calmer, and more comfortable starting tonight if you give them the proper nutrition immediately before bed. Dried plums are first. The small capillaries behind your eyes gradually become less flexible as you age, making it more difficult for them to deliver nutrition and oxygen to the areas of your eye that depend on them every night. Numerous aging and microcirculation investigations have demonstrated this. Your eyes may feel heavy, swollen, or take a bit longer to acclimate to light when you wake up because blood flows more slowly through stiffened arteries. According to some, it takes them longer to wake up in the morning. Some claim that the first bright light of the day is sharper than it used to be. These minor alterations are frequently linked to decreased circulation at night and the aging-related increase in oxidative stress. Dried plums are one bedtime food that can sustain these small vessels. Despite their straightforward appearance, they have a particularly beneficial nutritional profile for aging eyes. Vitamin K1, which is known to improve capillary strength and flexibility, is naturally abundant in dried plums. The National Institutes of Health states that vitamin K1 aids in preserving the integrity of blood vessel walls, particularly those that are tiny and vulnerable. The retina can get oxygen and nutrients more efficiently while you sleep if these veins remain flexible. This is important because the retina heals from daylight exposure, repairs damaged cells, and replenishes protective pigments at night. Potassium, which is essential for maintaining the body's fluid equilibrium, is also abundant in dried plums. This equilibrium aids in maintaining intraocular pressure, which naturally increases during sleep. Many people experience stiffness or a dull, difficult to focus feeling the next morning if their blood pressure rises too much, even for a brief while. Overnight, potassium supports a more comfortable pressure level by assisting your body in moving fluid in and out of the eye in a healthy manner. Your eyes can heal more peacefully in a more consistent pressure environment. The low glycemic index of dried plums is an additional advantage. This indicates that, in contrast to many other bedtime snacks, they boost blood sugar more gradually. According to American Optometric Association research, sharp fluctuations in blood sugar might cause the lens inside your eye to alter shape. A brief morning haze may result from the lens absorbing more fluid when blood sugar levels rise. Your lens remains constant at night when your blood sugar is steady. By releasing their natural sugars gradually, dried plums lessen the possibility of morning fog brought on by variations in blood sugar levels during the night. Additionally, they contain antioxidants that assist lessen oxidative stress, particularly phenolic compounds. The retina is known to be impacted by oxidative stress, which rises with age due to the tissue's high oxygen consumption. The cells that control light adaptation, color clarity, and keen vision are shielded by antioxidants. Your eyes will benefit from additional support during their primary repair window if you eat foods high in antioxidants before bed. You can get these benefits for your eyes without putting a lot of strain on your stomach by eating 2 dried plums about an hour before bed. As part of a basic nightly routine, this is easy for many people to maintain. With time, this little adjustment might help your eyes feel less dry in the morning, adapt to light more easily, and lessen the slight fogginess that many people over 60 experience when they first open their eyes. It is a natural method of supporting circulation, pressure balance, hydration, and antioxidant protection, but it is neither a cure nor a quick fix. Every important element that affects how your eyes feel every day. Supporting the healing process at night can have a visible impact if your eyes frequently feel strained or slow in the morning. The nutrients that are available to your eyes while you sleep are crucial, and dried plums just so happen to provide a number of the nutrients that aging eyes require most. It's an easy practice that can make your mornings more comfortable and clear. The second is pistachios. Your retina never truly rests, even when you close your eyes and the room is absolutely dark. It keeps processing the remaining light signals from the day, repairing damaged cells, and regenerating pigments. Because your retina utilizes more oxygen than nearly every other tissue in the body, oxidative stress is a normal result of this ongoing activity. Rods and cones, the cells that aid in color recognition, movement detection, and low-light vision, may gradually deteriorate as a result of this stress. This stress also affects the optic nerve, which communicates visual information to the brain. Because your eye's defense mechanisms deteriorate with age, this procedure becomes even more difficult. This explains why many people over 60 have increased nighttime glare, difficulty focusing in dark environments, or a sense of eye fatigue even after they've gone to sleep, because they include minerals that have been shown to enhance eye health. Pistachios provide genuine benefit in this area. Vitamin E is among the most crucial. Retinal cells' fatty outer layers are where vitamin E, a potent antioxidant, embeds itself. These layers are very vulnerable to light and oxygen-induced damage. Additionally, NIH research indicates that vitamin E contributes to the preservation of these cells' membrane structure. Because the retina loses some of its natural protections as we age, this protection is especially crucial for older folks. Giving your body vitamin E before bed helps counteract oxidative stress at the precise moment when your eyes are trying their utmost to heal themselves. Significant amounts of lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 carotenoids that settle in the macula, the area of the eye in charge of central vision, are also present in pistachios. According to the American Optometric Association, these pigments function as internal filters that support the clarity of tiny details, minimize glare, and block damaging blue light. Even little evening light sources like LED lights or phone screens can cause retinal stress and interfere with melatonin. You can assist improve visual comfort in the morning by strengthening your macula's natural filter system by feeding it these pigments at night. Pistachios' naturally high melatonin level is another special advantage. Pistachios have some of the highest natural melatonin levels among common foods, according to USDA food composition data and multiple published research. You can fall asleep more easily and stay asleep for longer thanks to melatonin's ability to regulate your sleep cycle. Since the retina heals mostly during deep, uninterrupted sleep, greater sleep is directly related to better nocturnal eye restoration. Many elderly people experience interrupted or short sleep, which can cause their eyes to feel more strained the following day. You can promote both eye healing and sleep quality by selecting a melatonin-rich diet at night rather than a heavy or sugary snack. Vitamin B6 and magnesium are also found in pistachios. Magnesium aids in the regulation of nerve and muscle activity, especially the small muscles involved in eye movement and focus. Neurotransmitters that facilitate the brain's seamless processing of visual information are supported by vitamin B6. Low levels of these nutrients may cause the optic nerve to function less effectively, which may lead to delayed visual adaptation or morning eye tiredness. Your body receives additional support at the precise moment when those systems reset if you consume these nutrients in the evening. These advantages can be obtained without consuming a lot of calories or sugar by eating 5 to 7 raw or dry roasted pistachios 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Antioxidants, pigments, melatonin, magnesium, and vitamin B6 are all included in this tiny portion, supporting your eyes during the hours when they heal the most. Many people who incorporate pistachios into their evening regimen report improved vision upon waking up, a smoother transition to brightness, and reduced sensitivity to glare. It's a straightforward, dependable method to fortify your eyes' defenses during the night and provide your vision with the support it requires as you age. But it's neither a quick fix nor a medical procedure. The third is chia seeds. It's crucial to safeguard your eyes from harm, but they also require the proper building blocks in order to heal themselves at night. Chia seeds are quite powerful in this regard. Despite their small size, chia seeds are packed with nutrients that aging eyes need but frequently lack. Omega-3 fatty acids derived from plants are among their most vital nutrients. Omega-3 fatty acids aid in the maintenance and reconstruction of retinal cell outer membranes, according to studies from the NIH and Harvard School of Public Health. As you age, these membranes naturally become thinner and more rigid, which impairs the retina's ability to communicate with the brain. Your eyes may feel dry, focus more slowly, or become more sensitive to bright morning light when a membrane becomes less flexible. The raw materials your retina needs to repair these membranes while you sleep are provided by adding omega-3s at night. The ability of chia seeds to absorb fluids is another special advantage. They create a soft gel when absorbed in water or almond milk, which keeps your body hydrated all night. The tear film is among the first things to deteriorate with age, and optimal tear production depends on enough hydration. Because their tear glands slow down during the night, many older folks wake up with dry, gritty, or itchy eyes. The gel made from soaked chia seeds hydrates your eyes gradually and steadily, supporting the tear film and keeping them comfortable till morning. Those who have burning, dryness, or that unpleasant sandpaper sensation when they first open their eyes will find this extremely beneficial. Another important factor is the slow-digesting fiber included in chia seeds. It keeps blood sugar levels steady all night long. Even after getting a good night's sleep, some people wake up with hazy vision because large fluctuations in blood sugar can alter the shape of the lens inside your eye. Your vision will be better and more consistent when you wake up, since maintaining stable blood sugar helps maintain stable lenses. Chia seeds are a great fit for the slow-releasing fiber and carbohydrates that promote improved morning visual acuity, according to numerous research on blood sugar management at night. Additionally, chia seeds aid in the reduction of inflammation. Increased light sensitivity, discomfort, and a delayed visual recovery can result from AG inflammation inside the retina. This inflammation is lessened by the natural anti-inflammatory properties of chia seeds and omega-3 fatty acids. Reduced inflammation improves communication between the retina's cells, making focusing easier and more pleasant. Tryptophan is another beneficial nutrient found in chia seeds. Your body needs the amino acid tryptophan to make melatonin and serotonin. Melatonin aids in falling and staying asleep, whereas serotonin helps control mood. According to research, your eyes have more unhindered time to heal damaged cells when you sleep deeper and more consistently. Sleep deprivation shortens the time your eyes have to repair oxidative damage during the day, balance fluids, and replenish pigments. Chia seeds assist your body enter a calmer, more restorative sleep cycle because they promote the generation of melatonin. One spoonful of chia seeds steeped in water or almond milk for 20 to 30 minutes provides all of these advantages. This tiny portion is easy on the stomach and offers a soft, absorbable evening meal that nourishes your eyes at the precise moment when they are most rebuilding. After incorporating soaked chia seeds into their nightly routine, many people report feeling less dry, less light-sensitive, and experiencing fewer periods of blurred vision when they first glance around the room. It doesn't make a big difference right away, but it helps your eyes get the long-term care they require as you become older. Your eyes may heal themselves more efficiently as you sleep, providing you with calmer, clearer vision over time. When your body obtains the natural sleep-supporting nutrients, omega-3 fatty acids, and water it requires. Most individuals are unaware of how much more powerful nighttime eye restoration is. They can wake up feeling more rested, peaceful, and lucid when they have a constant blood supply, protection from oxidative stress, and the nutrients they need to recover. You don't have to lose your vision as you get older. It just means your body needs more intelligent, purposeful support now. And small nightly routines are the first step toward such assistance. Your eyes will heal during the hours when you're not even awake to notice it if you stay hydrated before bed, reduce inflammation, and maintain stable blood sugar. A spoonful of soaked chia seeds, a handful of pistachios, and a couple prunes. These tiny meals can turn into a calm evening routine that lets your body know it's time to rest. Time for a reset. The reason so many folks over 60 claim their mornings feel considerably better when they follow this regimen is because these basic measures are supported by robust studies from major U.S. medical institutes. For you, your eyes have never ceased functioning. They're healing, rebuilding, and fending against the day's damage even as you sleep. They're not going to give up. They just occasionally want a little more assistance, a little more food, a little more steadiness, and a schedule that you can truly follow. Moreover, providing them with this nocturnal assistance can be one of the simplest methods to improve the clarity, brightness, and comfort of your mornings if you frequently wake up with dryness, morning haze, light sensitivity, or that exhausted pressure behind your eyes. Please click the like button if you thought this video was useful. It is very beneficial to the channel. In order to ensure that you never miss any more videos, remember to subscribe and activate the notification bell. Please leave a comment below with your comments. I'd love to know what you think. I appreciate you seeing, and I'll see you in the next